So Enra, the biggest program etimi etodwa ewo Asante Mampong no the all black affair etimi etodwa. Now that particular program etimi etodwa no, it was a program etimi eye celebrate the legendary Daddy Lumba. Now program na kama ohwe hawa yesifa a mountain stage hawa attendance no esifa ekoya. It actually tells me say Mampong for a consuming idea a quality. Inti Enra no all black affair no, it was light, it was fire, na eye uja. We are here to check some videos out. Enima itimi etodwa na Abusua. Asante Mampong. I know say from December everybody nyina no empanifo organize programs ahodo and Enra dia na eye in memory of that Lumba no, na ye one of a kind. Na ye one event bi etimi etodwa e Asante Mampong krom ha Abusua. Na eyucha na babia ye me de babia me hu se ababa wabi age mic na that Lumba nyum wo who to word for word just say lyrics by lyrics just say nyum the we are all poor nyum out no just say indeed that Lumba efra Asante Mampong pa na Abusua ye be check it out. Na one amazing thing I see here and say the sitting MP honorable Amprechum ekopie mu ho na Abusua what the Nimonyam Ekota Jumedian Echi, in as much as say, Encrophobia war and Sembio Moka Edefa honorable Hono, Edra, honorable, Emeki appearance, one in penny for Ekoi. Now, you see, offer personality wise, honorable Ayobia, where Nimonyam for any day, no doubt. Where Nimonyam for part, as a Enrano, was Ako PMO, or all black affair. I told you, Asante Mampong DFA square no. Not just say I'm a Jumediano. I added some touch be at the Jumediano. I must a feeling no aqua Dania Cocky feeling for cry. Na Abusua, we are here to check the video out. Now you share a number 1 or 2. So maybe Obiano and Indian no bookwaso. Kontontima like video no. Na share untimin commented and so and comment ne follow page near Queen. Now, Jensen Commander say enfant free our abra. Ababa way edge Mike. Now say Lumba nyumi meto ase na nimunyam na nyumwe die abra woto no de na enam metim ene se nka Abusuapanin Tupac e ho a kamani baje pa ye hwai se de enu nsem no esitie me baby sound wow Hey. Super. Wow. Super. Wow. All black affair life Asante Mampong and as a Jumadi etimi etodwa na Abusua wow Abusua so this part alone ababa one eto ye no I forgotten the name where madam for pa it tells you say Jumadi no even if nothing at all esi wo ho na say bibi extraordinary bi etodwa ho na ye hu kra na this brenko a etimi asafesi no say program no na super na fire na light and we need to try na ya bo wo mo the organizers no yes the organizers of the program no in fact they did a marvelous job, they did amazing job. As I told you December omo organize bi e ma ye nyina ye hemana na ejakuma difie ekopie mu sitting MP esakopie mu honom and this particular two omo organize e ma dwumadi no kama. So I know say gradually Mampong for shall say patronize event at say sometimes you normally see such event say a to Kumasi Accra and as for, but to organize such a program bako mienu my way aside fire I think say and attendance no na a light attendance no na a super organizers no kudos to you my dear monko so na monya adwuma pa emfama Asante Mampong because Mampong kontonchi obi apadepa ai ye padepa enti no say oye event na eye kama say dia then it tells you say enkofo bet my day I patronize ujumedi na udi no enti no the big guys are omoye brain behind this event no in fact my dey ento so na ye hwe wo abra I think from there no enwom ebobo enti no ye be enwom na film kakra because of copyright issues enti no ye be hwe na yetimi enwom kakra free but event no dey na super ye hwe ade wo hanam wo abra ababa wai ene asa pa de what they told so now today wo twiso a enya sem ketwa hwe wow wow super so MP neba no honorable Amprechum yes eti Asante Mampong ye MP no I honorable Amprechum no I have my own reservations now. Let me pause this side. You see, honorable me, I've said this countless times. Say, offer personality wise, honorable Amprechum a fine gentleman. Wherever you see him, a fine gentleman, right? And or more doubt, and or more take on him. But to me, when it comes to events like this, or call a money affair. When it comes to youth or more organizing programs, BCR, me, I've seen the man who na make the me who here. The mehu and American ye de minye day being who when it comes to programs like this so Mampong kwa moto inside the friend kwa there obi make appearance but you see memory reservation akra me and say you have some people following him sankrofon they think say omo no nim nyansa wo Mampong omo nim say omo no mo ye ama ba bro emre ye ni enka so munim ho emre ye ni nka so honorable Amprechum ti no fine and I make obi a one reservation about him obi beka so ye obi beka so onye obi beka so onye hwe obi beka so aye bibi ni nyina elho is part of politics na ye nyina ye play no but ebi mu ha mo pese mo che say they are even wiser than MP na nkasa mu ye woni pa bi ho they are around the manner they think say omu na mu che say uye outside omu a wo de wonni nyansa enkufo bi kuta positions omu a they know themselves omu ni so omu na mu bro muni mu ho enti no obasesan wo ho wonsesan wo ho because opani na mu no kra no uhuna enye sa na ote but some people around him no na sebe eto de bia manusi sum na so na ensem hunu ne ensem afaso bia no so ne yekeka right sem hunu ne ensem afaso bia no so ne yekeka enti eno appearance honorable emeke now yento aso this side. Oh, Joe de kama pa where crowd na attendance na massive. Wow. Abozi ge bole fo nyina PM live. Guys. Nyenzo. Hi. Guys. Hey. All black affair. Emra na say dwumadi no etimi happen live DFA square. Eti on your screen no na etwago kama ho no ai ti ene Mampong yes ma omo offense wo Mampong pa enti no bibia timi koye guys yes asanko dwumade ne kama I think say o ka se me rate rate no 80%. Yes, you can say we rating 100%, but per glimpses of what I saw on the Charlie, I think say you made near come on. Wow. Oh, guys, skins here tight. Organizers, more koso, monye say ya, monye say ya. Join them there, more organizing. In fact, more organized memamo me say memamo 80%. Seriously, no doubt. Juma dey there more organizing man here fair and mo man ni je ba krom because who say a man member nyina na say ekoso na ekoso pa akasifo so PM life. Hey, me chairman ni. Hey, chairman dey ato form. Wow. That's so guys. Akasifo so PM life. Kasifo no. Hey, madam you know okoy pa o. Wow. Oh, organizers my idea. Seriously. Wow. American pub. Anya see we no. Ana. That be one America. That be. Hey, America dey ato sesa no. America ya botere. Hey, America yi. Wow. America no. American pub. Wow. America is same. America is near America same so there. Hey. Hey. Wani. Ono so Mampong. Ana woni Mampong. Esini ana. Na hani. Hey. Odo bolo. Mampong guess life. Hey, all black cafe come up out. E ma okrom. Hey. Wow. Yes, I dem be ba fast yan so PM life. I said I feels signature. All black affair. Chale no super. Oh, organizers my idea. Wow. Abusua eti jumadi no kama. And once again, organizers minimudi no enye saka me bubo mudi no ema mosomote mudi ewo jet report so. Yes, my idea. I must say no credit eba kope. On say we idea na ye kama ye beka anye ye nso a ye beka. And to me pe the man who own media no so nyina no I think say organizers my idea because since I came to Mampong me share that event be ye gidi be but recently the programs are more organized no I think it's super and even MP amode ba nana hema na de na ba these are personalities are a selling program no obi who say Mampong hema ba obi kwa wo hu ni da obi nso a say o men no dan ti no such events such programs no ema onya the opportunity ben that personality and access any panel you know kudos to you guys you are doing amazing I mean mubetima ye more there are room for improvement mubetima ye more but said there enkrofo organize baby elsewhere ema enije eba timamufo animu ne say omabrabo mu no I think say you are on the right track edwuma na moye dey moye hon so this is the event you organize here edema that LUMBA a celebration of life na esaye all black affair it me etodwa enra and in fact my idea me score mo 80% my adwuma ni yeti monhwe na 20% no monfa enka ho so all the big guys all the brains behind this particular event no my idea a big shout out to you. You see you have video city here yeah baby me bra it me there programs I would do so you know I know going forward no variety ceremony and nima we brebe ma bamna organization ni ade no etimi akoye bet for kakra na mo ayam me ho ne de in fact my heart is for you mo ye juma all the guys big shout out to you makram